Arjuna's compassion awakens. This is chapter 1, Shloka 27, Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Tan samikshasya kaunteyaha sarvan bandhunavasthitan kripaya paraya vishto vishidanidamabravit. Translation: seeing all his relatives present there, Arjuna, the son of Kunti, was overwhelmed with compassion and with deep sorrow spoke the following words. Seeing his relatives, Arjuna's emotions take over. Just moments ago, he was ready to fight, but as he understands the destruction this war will cause, his courage begins to soften and his mind fills with confusion. That is why Sanjaya calls him Kaunteya, the son of Kunti, reminding us of the gentle and compassionate nature he carries. Reflection: compassion can change our decisions. Arjuna was ready to fight, but the moment he sees his own people, his heart begins to question what his duty demands. Closing thought: when the heart awakens, the mind can lose its steadiness. That's Shloka 27. We'll move to Shloka 28 in the next video. Jai Shri Krishna.
Bhagavad Gita ki dhum chale, hriday se hriday tak, shabd ban ke divyagni jala de har andhak, shravan karo man mein utaro har shloka hai margdarshan, Gita jahan jyoti jalao, बन जाओ तुम अपना अर्पण।